What is soft robotics? Imagine robots that are inherently safe, that can move like an octopus, bend like a snake, or handle objects with the delicacy of a human hand. In a nutshell, that's the essence of soft robotics, a field that is completely rethinking what a robot can be. This revolutionary field specializes in creating robots from flexible and elastic materials like silicone or rubber, instead of the rigid metals and plastics we're familiar with. Its core idea is inspired directly by biology, by organisms like octopuses, worms, or even plants, to create machines that can move, bend, and adapt to their environment, much more like living beings. This gives them truly unique characteristics. First, incredible adaptability. Unlike a rigid robot that needs complex programming for every single movement, a soft robot can simply deform and conform to the shape of an object. This natural compliance allows them to grasp something delicate without crushing it, a major challenge for their metal counterparts. Second, they are inherently safe. Thanks to their soft nature, if a soft robot interacts with or bumps into a person, it's far less likely to cause an injury. This crucial safety feature removes the need for protective cages, opening up a world of possibilities for working directly with humans. And third, they offer surprising mobility. They can squeeze through narrow or complex spaces, which makes them ideal for exploration in difficult environments or for critical search and rescue tasks where traditional robots can't go. The application examples of soft robotics are varied and fascinating. In medicine, we see soft surgical robots and catheters that can move inside the body, reaching difficult areas without damaging delicate tissues. In agribusiness, gentle robotic hands are being developed to pick ripe fruit without crushing it, a task that has traditionally been difficult to automate. For underwater exploration, there are robots that mimic octopuses. Their gentle movements allow them to navigate and explore delicate reefs, without disturbing the fragile ecosystem. And in the field of prosthetics and exoskeletons, soft wearable devices are being designed to help with rehabilitation, or assist people with limited mobility. In short, soft robotics isn't about building stronger machines but about creating robots that are more flexible, safe, and adaptable, inspired by the efficiency and grace of nature.